Hello guys! Today I'm gonna show you how to solve for the volume and surface area of a cylinder. Alright, so let's begin. To solve for the surface area of a cylinder, first, this is the formula. The formula is pi r squared times 2 or 2 pi r squared, which you see, plus pi times d times h. What's the meaning of this? Because, do I remember, if you look at this circle here, that's pi r squared. Because surface area talks about the summation of all the areas of the faces of a solid figure. So this is a face, this is also a face, and both of them are circles. So therefore, it's 2 pi r squared. Okay? And then we have this entire height, which is what you call the curved part. So the formula for that matter is pi times d times h. But where does the theorem come from? Pi times d, because remember, if you were to unfold it, it forms a sheet of paper. So pi times diameter, right? And then times the height, which is this thing, the height. Because pi times diameter pertains to the length, diba? So when you go around, it's considered pi. And then times the diameter because it's the diameter. Okay? So now let's solve. So we have the cylinder whose diameter measures 5 centimeters, and the height, even though it's not given, the height still measures 5 centimeters because of the equal marks that I put there. So how do you solve for the surface area? That's easy. Let's do the surface area first. First, get the area of one circle, and that is pi times the radius squared. And then multiply that by 2. So that would become like this. So yan, our formula should look like something like this. So once we simplify things out, it will look like this. So therefore, it's 2 times 3.14 times 2.25 squared. Okay? 2.5 squared na lang. Then, 2.5 squared is 6.25. So therefore, we have 3.14 times 6.25. Okay? I think let's just do it on a calculator para mas mabilis. Okay? So we have 6.25, multiply that by 3.14, we should get 19.6.25. Then multiply that by 2, so we should get 39.25. That's the area of the circles. 39.25. Okay? Plus, remember, we have pi times pi times, ano yun? The pi times 5 times 5. Because why? Look at this. If you can look to our drawing, the diameter is 5 centimeters. And the height is also 5 centimeters. So it's like pi times 25 or 25 pi. If I were to write this in a calculator, we should get 78.5. Alright? So plus 78.5. And then we get so therefore, the surface area of a cylinder is 117.75 square centimeters. Yun yung surface area ng cylinder. Now for the volume, we know the volume is always like this. The volume of a cylinder is, remember, it's just like a prism. Get the area of the base, then multiply it with the third dimension. But since the base is a circle, this is our base. Pi times radius squared, because this is the base. And then multiply it by the height. That's still easy. So therefore, we have 3.14 times, ano yung radius squared namin? 2.5 squared, di ba? Then times 5. 2.5 squared is still 6.25. So, di ba remember, we already got na this one, di ba? And let's just do it in a calculator para mas mabilis. So, 3.14 times 2.5 squared, which is the area of one circle. Di ba remember, we still get this one. Then multiply it by the height. Yan. So the volume is 98.125 cubic centimeters. Now, if you were to convert that to centiliters, it will go like this. You know this will be ml, right? So maging ml yan. So 98.125 ml. Divide by 10. So that becomes 9.8125 CL. That's it. And that's how we solve for the volume and surface area of this fine looking cylinder that you see right here.